Hey, it's Jeremy Williams, broker owner of the Bannock Real Estate Group and also the group's new construction specialist. If you've been following our past couple of videos, we've been talking about new construction. How do we have a new house built for us in today's market? And the first step, we talked about the importance of finding the right piece of land. Second step, we talked about how do we find the right builder and what resources are there out there to protect you to make sure that you get matched up with the right person. And today we're just going to talk about floor plans. Now, the reason we want to bring this up in the third step is because depending on what builder you're working with, a lot of builders have resources, draft people, architects that can help conceptualize and create custom plans, or maybe they have some stock plans that fit your needs to get to the house that you're looking for. Aside from that, if you're wanting to get something more customized, we can help get you in touch with local architects that can create really nice design features and really make that house special to fit on the lot perfectly. So if you're looking to build, let's go find that piece of land, match you up with the right builder, and then we'll work through the process of how we can make sure that we have the right house for you and you're excited at the end of the day. So if you have any questions, reach out. You can reach us at 406-926-6767, and we look forward to talking to you soon.